So I was looking to create an office space in my home, especially with COVID. And I had a sort of a craft room that sort of became a junk room. And so I wanted to organize it in such a way that I could do both, have space for crafting and have space for working from home. I think the most difficult part is the first initial part was having somebody come into your home with all your junk. So that's a little intimidating. And the second thing is to actually go through everything and, you know, at a quicker pace than probably you would. Well, that's why the room became a junk room, was because I just never made the time to do it. So now you've brought somebody in to sort of force the process along. So it's that making the time and the decisions at the time. But as you go along and you start to realize that maybe you have doubles and triples of things and that, you know, you've been doing without it because it's been packed away anyways, then you start to, it gets easier to let go of things. Yeah, so I found that as I went along, that I became more committed to getting rid of things. So, you know, it's that hurdle. It's that just once you get started, then you just want it all done and cleaned up, and you can, you know, hearing your ideas about the vision for it, you just wanted to help to achieve it. So in terms of my mood, I feel lighter, I feel brighter, I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulder. This room has been a bit of contention in my household, just, you know, just collecting things over and over again and not really having them organized and being able to access them when you want them. And in terms of productivity, because I now have a dedicated space for my work, you know, I can keep things in a way that's organized, systematic. I can keep things contained in my household. So, you know, I'm not leaving documents on the dining table. They're all contained in this one space. My favorite part of the room, I would have to say, it's this little working corner. My fuchsia chairs. I sit here often and journal, and I think this is one of my favorites. And I think my second favorite are the pictures on the wall.
Yeah, so pretty. They just bring so much joy.
They do. Yeah. And you know, when it's organized, you feel more inspired. To be creative. Right? So I can get my hands on anything at any time. My markers, my specialty markers, my washi tapes. Like, I just love this room.
Amazing. All right. Well, thanks, Arlene.
You're welcome. Oh my God.